Safety during and after earthquake. Safety during an earthquake. If you're inside your house, take cover under a study desk or table, or stand in the corners of a room. Don't stand close to exterior walls and windows, tall furniture, and hanging pictures or mirrors. If you're in the kitchen, put off the stove before you take cover. Put off the main electrical switch of the house. If you're outdoors, get into the open space, which is away from buildings and power lines. If you're driving, do not stop under or near electrical power lines, light posts, trees, or signs. Stay in your car until the earthquake is over. Safety after earthquake. Ensure that everyone is safe. If needed, call for emergency help in the area. Check for your immediate location for safety. Do not put on electrical switches or appliances without ensuring that they are functioning perfectly. Stay away from downed power lines and never touch wires lying on the ground, wires hanging on poles, or objects that may be touching them. Drowned wires still may be carrying current and could shock, injure, or even kill if touched.